Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you would like to post a YouTube video to Facebook, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is go over to YouTube, and this will work if you are doing it with your own videos or if you're doing it with a random video that you found on YouTube. It really does not matter. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use our channel here, and we are going to locate the three dots. Now, once you've located the three dots, you can see that there is a share option. We're going to tap on that. Once you've tapped on that share option, you'll see that there is a Facebook option, and you're immediately going to tap on this Facebook option. So once you've tapped on it, it'll open Facebook, and once you've opened Facebook, it'll open this as a post. You can see now that you can add in some text at the top. If you want to add a caption, you can do so. And then you can also specify whether you want it just on your feed or you want it on your story as well. That's on the bottom of the page on the left-hand side. And then if you go all the way to the right-hand side, you can either make it public, you can make it sent just to your friends, you can make it visible to friends except certain friends, and then only me. If you tap on more, you can do specific friends. So there we go. There's a bunch of different options in terms of publicity, and what you can now do on the top left hand side is you can share it to your newsfeed or your story, friends timeline, in a group, as an event, or you can share it as a private message. And once you've done here, you're going to go ahead at the bottom. There is a post to Facebook. You can go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're looking to gain views, let me give you a bonus tip. There is something called Linktwin, and you can go ahead, and this is the URL. It's linktw.in, and what you can basically do here is when you are sharing a video, instead of sharing it directly to Facebook, which will actually play in Facebook as a mini player, if you're looking to gain views, you can go ahead, and once you've tapped share on YouTube, you can actually just tap on copy. Now, what basically it does is it copies your URL or your link to your video. You go into Linktwin and you paste it in over here. Now, what Linktwin basically does is it allows you to shorten your link, and it also allows your link to be opened in the appropriate app, which would be YouTube. And now, in this case, if people are clicking on that video and watching the video on YouTube, it'll count as a view. However, if you're alternatively just tapping on Facebook and having it redirect you into Facebook to post your video, it'll be watched in Facebook and your video will not gain a view. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.